Michelle, and you're?
Natasha.
Hi, welcome to Peche. Are you dining?
Yes.
Table for 2, 3?
Table for 3, yes.
Sure, let me get the menu for you.
Okay, great.
Wanna come with me?
Yes, sure.
How about this table?
Sure, that's good. Thank you.
Hi, are you ready to place your order?
Yes, I'm ready. So we're having the roasted duck breast,
What temperature, please?
medium well,
Sure.
and we want to get the spicy tandoori lamb burger,
Okay, what temperature?
well done.
Okay.
The other entree will be a Swiss burger,
Okay.
medium to well.
Medium to well.
Yes. He wants a Coke,
Okay, sure, that's okay.
and she wants a coffee, and she'll tell you what flavor coffee she wants. And I'll have a tropical mimosa.
Okay, which of the fruit you want me to mix it with?
Surprise me.
Okay.
So guys, this is Janet, and she will show us what they have here in this showcase.
Okay, let's begin with the brioche. This is the brioche bread.
Okay.
That's a 50% butter bread. Also consists of eggs as well.
Okay.
Right? It's all-purpose bread. We normally use it for French toast. It used to make sandwiches, and you could also have it for your normal pairing with eggs at breakfast hours as well. Okay, this is the organic 5-grain bread.
Organic 5-grain.
Yes, it's a very healthy bread.
Yes.
Okay, more substitute for whole wheat for those who may need diabetic.
Yes.
Yes. We have some pastries here as well. This is the cheddar herb biscuit.
It smells really good. I
Yes.
can actually smell it out of I'm out of the standing outside the case and I'm smelling it.
Yes. So it's basically a cheese and onion biscuit.
Yeah.
Okay, followed by the smoked salmon roll. This is basically a smoked salmon roll, so it has smoked salmon on the inside and smoked salmon. Okay, this basket is what you see. It's a coconut croissant. So it's basically croissants that baked with coconut on the inside and on the outside. Okay, this is cookie. It's a chocolate truffle cookie.
Chocolate truffle. Wow.
Yeah. So for those who love chocolate.
Yeah.
Yes. This is also the pan of chocolate.
Oh, very
so
nice.
basically the pan of chocolate have 3 strips of chocolate on the inside.
Yes.
And it have icing sugar drizzle on top.
Oh, very, very nice.
This is our plain croissants.
Okay.
So the plain croissants,
looks very flaky.
It's with also butter and eggs as well. So you could even use it at breakfast hours if you're having coffee or tea. You could use it to make sandwiches. Right. This is one of our most popular pastry, which is the cream cheese and blueberry Danish.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and for this one is the berry tart. So as you see, it have a filling on the inside. So it have berry filling on the inside.
What, blueberry?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Okay, so we normally serve other pastries, but these are the pastries that we have available at the moment today. So otherwise we have the palmier as well.
Okay.
And the palmier is also eggless, like for vegetarian as well.
Okay, so Janet is going to share with us their dessert section.
Okay, so farmer, right? We have our saffron and blueberry cheesecake. Wow. It's very different from all those other cheesecakes that you have ever seen. Our cheesecake is quite different. And of course we have our chocolate. Patesserie chocolate is basically a chocolate mousse on a lady finger. Below, as you see, it's rests on a lady finger. Okay, next to the Patesserie chocolate, we have our cardamom panna cotta. Panna cotta, which is eggless. So you have option to choose desserts as well. Also eggless for those who don't eat eggs. So it's infused cardamom and white chocolate. Next to the panna cotta is our classic tiramisu. But it's also it consists of coffee as well. So for those who love coffees, they will.
Does the tiramisu contain egg?
Yes.
Okay.
Actually the only desserts that does not have eggs is the cardamom panna cotta.
Okay.
Right? Okay, this is the gatwa okra. It's basically almond roasted sponge, house-made buttercream, chocolate ganache, cocoa ganache, and almonds. So it's a very interesting dessert as well. It have a lot of ingredients. Okay, this is the pave de wa. It's basically chocolate cake that's soaked in Tahitian bean syrup. The chocolate itself is made in house because we also have a chocolate rooms to make our chocolate for coffees and for desserts as well.
That's nice.
Okay, this is our lovely passion fruit tarts, all decorated with the garnish with the strawberry and blueberry. And this is our vanilla creme brulee, Tahitian vanilla bean.
Oh wow,
creme brulee.
Tahitian. So that's gonna be very luxurious and it's very expensive.
But it's worth the cost.
Yes, it's worth it. Yes.
Worth it. Yes. Below you will see all these colorful items, which is the macaroons. So what we do is different colors, different flavors.
Yes.
So we have the green, which is lemon.
Yes.
Then we have the yellow, which is the passion fruit. The purple, which is the berry. The brown, which is the chocolate. And of course we have the pink, which is the lychee. Okay.
Quite interesting.
Yes. On the lower level, there you will see we have the eclair.
Okay.
All stuffed with custard and drizzled with chocolate.
Very, very, very nice.
Which
I
is
love
quite interesting
the
as well.
selection.
Okay, and of course we Peche all started from making eclairs, so that's where we all started from.
Oh, that's nice. So fun
Yes.
fact, Peche started from making eclairs.
Yes.
So this just came out of the oven. It's a herb and cheese focaccia, and it smells like out of this world delicious. And I tell you, everything here smells so delicious, and I haven't even tasted anything as yet. Then he's gonna finish with the fries now. So here we have our tandoori burger, and here we have our Swiss burger. And on the side, so she's gonna put the duck breast into the oven. So Celine, what sauce is it?
It's a gastric.
So this is a gastric
Made from berries.
made from berries,
Yeah.
and everything is made in-house. Then we finish with some strawberries. So you bring both ends up, and then the other two ends to form a triangle. So they're cooking off. Is it curry grouper?
I don't know.
Like a chop.
Have a tandoori marinade on it.
Okay, a tandoori marinade.
Thank you.
Okay, so Chef Celine is going to make the sauce for the duck wontons. And she's putting in some secret sauce.
So we have onions, sweet peppers, pimentos, chili peppers, and then the sauce is chili guna. We make it in-house.
In-house,
So
okay.
it's spice.
Spicy, okay. I think this is... Doesn't that look so inviting, and it smells absolutely delicious. Is there curry in that sauce?
A little bit.
Yeah, I can smell the curry. Thank you so much. So guys, I just had lunch. It was absolutely delicious. Everything was on point. So now we're going to get a tour of the culinary school, which opens in April. And I will leave all information for the culinary school down in the description box. So we're just going to get a really small sneak peek behind the scenes of the culinary school, but it's something. So guys, I'm going to go into the culinary school just to give you all a behind the scenes look. So at the culinary school, they will have a lot of international chefs teaching, and they would have different programs, so you guys would select which class you want or which best suits you, but I would recommend doing all of them. Here we have Chef Khalil, who is the brains behind Peche, and we're actually upstairs Peche right now, which is the Caribbean Culinary Institute. This is his baby. It's going to be one of the biggest, and I'm going to let him finish explain what it is his vision is for this school, because it's going to be a school.
So this is the most advanced culinary demonstration facility in Trinidad and Tobago. We have cameras everywhere inside of the courts. We'll have live streaming videos with foreign chefs. This is also an event room, and then we have our practical room on the other end. Excellent.
So we're not going to be seeing the practical room because they're not working on it. But once you come to school here, this will be the theory room. The setup here will be where theory will be taking place on these black hard pui tables. So these tables are made from black pui, and the only place in the world you can find them is in Macaroons. So here at the Caribbean Culinary Institute, it's not only a school. They rent out this space for live events. It's fully equipped to be for media purposes. You can have parties, you can have demonstration parties. Anything you think of, you can have it here. So all the information for this school will be listed down below in the description box. And for those of you who wouldn't be able to see, because it's just this one setup, we have screens on every angle so that everything will be captured. So these walls are Italian plaster walls. So the finish on the wall is a gold leaf finish, and it's absolutely beautiful. And for you all to see the true beauty, you need to come to this school. So just remember, cooking is not hard. It's really fun once you have the right teacher. And Chef Khalil and all these international chefs are going to make it really simple and easy for you guys. So I'd like to say thank you to the chef and the guys here at Peche for allowing me to show you guys what they have. And I really hope that you guys come down here because their location will also be in the description box. So guys, make sure come down here, check it out. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode of Taste of the Town. Goodbye.